You are going to feel so motivated by the time this is done. Welcome back to Do It on a Dime with Kathryn. Today I'm sharing with you 15 tips to clean your messy bathroom fast. And believe me, this bathroom is filled with tons of really satisfying before and afters. We definitely fell off the bandwagon these last couple of weeks. And I get lots of messages from you guys asking, what do I do to get motivated? When I feel like I can't get started, I pick up my phone and I set a timer for 15 minutes, and I only focus on the vanity and the mirrors. All I have to do for those 15 minutes is show up with my cleaning caddy, and this has got all of my favorite $1 products. I start from the top and work my way down with my duster. And then I go straight for the vanity surface and I spray this down so it has time to disinfect. While that works its magic, I get to work on the glass. I love this window clean. It's by LA Totally Awesome, and I always pair it with my glass cleaning rag. You can get these for just $1. I love these dishwashing sponges with handles. These are meant for kitchens, but I think they work even better in bathrooms. The sponges are really high quality and they get between the knobs on your faucet really well. They rinse out super easily, and then I just have to use one square of paper towel for the rest of the counters. Look at all that came up. I use the paper towel to rinse out the fixtures. This next tip might surprise you. The Dollar Tree furniture polish restores and conditions, but it also cleans. It does a great job of getting soap scum off of your wood. I use this on my mirrors and the faces of my cabinetry. And while I have that in hand, I clean my blinds using these automobile wash mitts. Not great for automobiles, but 5-star rated on your blinds. It gets into all of them so easily and really quickly. And just like that, 15 minutes is up. And that's why I love that trick. It makes me want to keep going. I decided to tackle my tub, and boy did it need it. Even this little ladybug said so. Don't worry, I made sure to move her to the curtain before I got started. I use my Bissell Power Shot steamer to get all of that gunk out of the inside. I mentioned this in a recent video, and some of you said this seemed like sorcery. I would not be surprised if it was invented by wizards because it works so well. I use it all over my house. I always pick up this mini bleach from Dollar Tree because once opened, it loses its potency over time, and I use half of the bottle to clean my jet tub. I've gotten a lot of questions about how I do this recently. I fill it up to above the water line and turn on the jets. The bleach disinfects and takes out all that stuff from inside the piping. While that's working its magic, I get to work on my toilets. And you know my favorite toilet bowl cleaner is Lime Away. This is one of the only products that's officially 5-star rated on Dollar Tree's website. Then I use my steam shot on other spots of the toilet. I try to teach my family to aim like Jedis and not like stormtroopers, but I do think it's a fruitless cause. I'm going light on this footage for you, but trust me, this gets out a lot. And then I drain the tub. Man, if you've got a jacuzzi tub, I know you feel me on this. Stuff gets everywhere. And that sludge in the bottom of the tub, you can clean that up with a Dollar Tree sponge mop. I can't believe I've never showed this trick before. If you don't want to break your back bending over trying to scrub out the tub, I use this to push all of that down the drain. And then I grab my Dawn Power Wash. Okay, this tip is awesome and it came from a viewer. This is meant for kitchens, but it works so well to clean your tubs out beautifully. It gets all of the grime out and your back won't hurt. Once you finish soaping down the inside, I usually rinse it out a little bit, and optional is to add one more cycle of water through the jets. Everything will come out clean and beautiful. Next, we are cleaning the shower and tile walls. I mentioned this on Instagram, but I love Dollar Tree's cleaning vinegar. I do half of the cleaning vinegar and half distilled water in my steamer. I use this all over my glass shower doors, and then I squeegee off with my Dollar Tree squeegee. The great thing about this is you can use this on glass and you can use it directly on tile. Vinegar is a natural descaler to get rid of your soap scum. And I love this little trick. Dollar Tree Barbasol is great on your nickel fixtures. Check out this before and after. And did you know you could even use Dawn Power Wash in the bottom of your shower? Now on to cleaning the floors, especially grout. This was my most asked question. I take a Dollar Tree scrub brush and make a paste of baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. You want it about as thick as pancake batter. And I rub this all over the tile and give it a quick scrub. And if you want to get fancy with this, you could even use an electric toothbrush. This is actually a scrubber specifically made for grout. I'll be sure to link it down below, but you could use anything you want to make this a little bit easier. Once that's clean, take a Dollar Tree push broom. Now this actually costs $2 because it's $1 for the handle and $1 for the broom extension, but this works so well. And then you just sweep up all of the dry baking soda. Now honestly guys, I don't do this very much. Maybe once a year do I clean my grout this officially, but when I do, I take my O-Cedar mop and I just mop everything down to get up all of the baking soda residue. I love this mop and I'll be sure to have it linked down below. You are gonna be floored with how well this works. I decided to go the extra mile and I'm so glad you're here for it. The Dollar Tree caulk is 5-star rated and for good reason. Okay, so the caulk in our bathroom was looking really sad. I use painter's tape to help apply this really well, but I put a thin bead of caulk in the spot that I want it to go, run over it with my finger, and then remove the painter's tape. These simple changes really upgrade a bathroom space so fast. Speaking of upgrades, I took some Dollar Tree nautical rope and I tied it around my window treatments. I put a knot at the bottom of each end and then I went through it with a brush, and these make beautiful little tassels in about 2 minutes. And a quick aside, the Dollar Tree now sells these loofahs on wooden sticks. This is one of my favorite new finds. These little upgrades make such a difference in the bathroom. It's crazy how a clean space totally lifts your mood. But I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. You have to let me know in the comments down below which of these tips was new to you or your favorite, or let me know something new altogether. And be sure to leave it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. That really helps me out. Man, am I so glad you are here today. If nobody has told you, you are enough. Be sure to subscribe because I can't wait to catch you guys in the next one. Bye!